Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm She's Pretty Red. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber, you guys. So in today's video, it is brought to you guys by Ali Grace Hair. So they did send over a 5x5 lace body glueless wig for me to try out for you guys, and this is a closure wig as well. So what I'm doing right now is just showing you guys everything that comes along with this unit. So I do have a bonnet. You also get a note card that tells you guys all about Ali Grace Hair. And it also has their social media sites as well as how to care for your unit on the back as well.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you.
So you also get an elastic band. So jumping right into the wig. This wig is 180% density and it is 20 inches long. Also, the hairline is pre-plucked and the knots are bleached. And you also get an elastic band and adjustable straps on the inside of your wig. You also get 5 clips to utilize as well. So with this wig being glueless, utilizing your clips is definitely important, but I love it so much. So right now I'm just showing you guys what it looks like straight out of the package, you guys. Super soft, and I'm just running my fingers through it. No shedding or tangling.
Stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you.
Alright, so now that we have the wig on our head, I'm just adjusting it, making sure that it's on my head straight. And right now I'm just going to be showing you guys all the different ways that you can like part this wig, you guys. Y'all, I love the hairline, and the parting looked so good. I kept trying to ask Babe, like, how should I style this wig, y'all? Should I do a middle part or a side part? He was like, he didn't care. So, y'all, I did a good old side part, and I love it so much. And I'm going to be changing it to a middle part soon. But, y'all, this hair is so soft, and I love the texture, you guys. And it was super easy to curl, so I'll let you guys continue watching the rest of today's video, and then I'll come back with the final look. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. You guys, this is how the curls came out, how everything is looking. It definitely looks so good. And yes, it is glueless, no glue. Love it so much, you guys. Like I said, it's super versatile. I'm definitely going to have all of Allie Gray's hair information in my description box below, so that way you guys can be sure to check them out, you guys, and definitely go snag you a glueless wig, because y'all, this is where it's at, and I love it so much for the summertime. And I can just take this wig off and put it back on as I please. So yes, you guys, I am definitely satisfied with this wig. I love the texture, love the luster and the body. So yes, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
And y'all be trying to convince yourselves that middle parts are better than side parts. In what world?